Hey guys, my name is BigS681. Welcome to another Grand Theft Auto vehicle tutorial. In this video, I will be joined by my friend.
Oh, hello. I'm Fnaf 1021.
And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the car from Smokey the Bandit 3. So for this vehicle, you're going to need the Impante Ruiner, specifically the T-top version. So once you get one of those, you can head over to the auto shop. Preferably in one piece. Alright, so I'm assuming this vehicle's already fully upgraded with the engine and stuff?
No.
No?
But have that.
Okay, well that doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
So, let's see, start with the colors, I guess?
Well, bumpers, those are first.
Bumpers? No, we're gonna leave the bumper alone.
Exhaust?
Exhaust, you can put on the big bore exhaust.
Hood.
Hood, we're gonna leave the hood alone.
Horn?
Horn, you can leave that stock.
Lights, probably stock.
Yep, leave those stocks. They didn't have LED lights back then, so. What's next? Spoiler?
No, plate.
The plate? Which one you got on there now? I can't really see the back end.
Okay. Respray.
Okay, so the primary color, you want to make that metallic black. Alright, give that a galaxy blue pearlescent. Alright, so now we can go to the secondary color. You can select metals. Pure gold. Alright. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Now you want to go to your spoiler. I think that's next, right?
Spoiler.
Put on the mid-level spoiler. Yep, now you can go to your wheels. You want to select your lowrider wheel. No, yeah, lowrider wheels.
Okay.
Go down to the ones that say turbine. Yep, you want to select those. You want to make those black.
Black.
Yep. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this vehicle. You could make the windows light smoke, but I think we'll leave those alone for this vehicle. That's pretty much it. You could upgrade the engine fully, the transmission fully, full brakes, full armor. Don't really need the turbo. That's pretty much it for this vehicle. The 1980 Pontiac Trans Am from Smokey the Bandit 2. Hope you guys like this video. I'll see you in the next one.